So I got the oscilloscope hooked up to the synthesizer, and that is really cool. Because now I can get a visual representation of the output waveform coming out of the instrument. And I'm just starting to figure out how to use the oscilloscope, so I'm far from having it dialed in. For example, just the display intensity. On video it looks all pretty intense, but it can look even more intense. And it looks really intense in person. I also noticed that you can change the time base, either increasing it or decreasing it to get smaller samples of time or larger samples of time, which dramatically changes the display. And because this is a phosphorus CRT, it has all those artifacts. I don't even know if you can hear the keyboard right now. I mean, I'm just gonna play a random chord. But yeah, that is so cool. Yeah, I just scored this with a bunch of other stuff, and yeah, I was thinking about selling it, but now I'm thinking about keeping it just for fun. Yeah, anyway, there's the oscilloscope connected to the audio output of the synthesizer, which is a Behringer DeepMind 12 voice analog polysynth, which is also really cool. You can see I just have it basically rigged up. I'm gonna get a better cable for that. Anyway, that's it for now.